How to copy Twitter profile link. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your Twitter application. Then from your top left corner, tap on your profile icon. Then go to profile. Now tap on three dot. Then go to share. Now simply tap on copy URL and done. Your profile URL is now created. All you have to do is tap on the three dot from your top right in your profile, then go to share, tap on copy URL, done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.